Today I'll be doing a video on Class 7 CBSE Science Chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants. NCERT Textbook question solved. Why do organisms take food? Answer. Food is needed by all organisms for many purposes. The main function of food is to help in growth and development of the body. Food provides energy for movements such as running, walking or raising our arm. Food is also needed for replacement and repairing damaged parts of body. Food gives us resistance to fight against diseases and protects us from infections. Distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Parasite feeds on a living organism. The organism on which it feeds is called host. A parasite takes ready-made food from the organism on which it feeds. Saprotrophs. They feed on dead and decaying organism. They do not feed on a living organism. They secrete digestive juices on the matter. They leave and convert it into a solution and then absorb it. How would you test the presence of starch in leaves? The presence of starch in leaves can be tested by iodine test. When we remove chlorophyll from leaf by boiling it in alcohol and then put 2 drops iodine solution, its color changes to blue and indicates the presence of starch. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. The green plants have chlorophyll in the leaves. These leaves use carbon dioxide and water to make food in the presence of sunlight. Show with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. So here is a figure which shows that plants are the ultimate source of food. Fill in the blanks. Green plants are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. The food synthesized by plants is stored as starch. In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the plant called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas. Name the following. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender and branched stem. Answer. Cascada. A plant that is partially autotrophic. Answer. Insectivorous plant or pitcher plant. The pores through which leaves exchange gases. Answer. Stomata. The correct answer. Cascada is an example of parasite. The plant which traps and feeds on insects is pitcher plant. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Chlorophyll, leaf. Nitrogen, rhizobium. Cascada, parasite. Animals, heterotrophs. Insects, pitcher plant. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Answer. False. Plants synthesize their food by themselves are called saprotrophs. Answer. False. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Answer. True. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Answer. True. Choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? Answer. Stomata. Choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their leaves. Why do farmers grow many fruits and vegetable crops inside large greenhouses? What are the advantages to the farmers? Growing crops inside large greenhouses provide required temperature for crops, prevent crops from wind, cold, insects, etc. The advantages of farming in greenhouses is better yield of crops and it requires less efforts of farmer. Please like and subscribe to Travel Treats. Go to youtube.com, search for channel Travel Treats, press subscribe button for watching updated videos. Thank you for watching.